Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna be answering Mohammed Hashi's question. So he's asking, when you say one interest per ad set, do you mean literally just one interest page from the ad that is working? I mean, say you have an ad that's working and in the detailed targeting section, you have 10 pages. Are you saying make a new ad separately for each of the 10 and see which one works? Yeah, exactly. So Mohammed, basically what I do is that I do one interest per ad set. When testing out, I use the same ad, one ad for all the ad sets you're testing, all the interests, because I know that with the ad format that I use, it's much more likely to work, and the variable that's going to make the biggest impact is going to be the interest, not the other parts of the campaign. So I suggest you test 4 to 5 interests, so you would have 4 to 5 ad sets on the campaign, and you would have the same ad, so you would know which of those are working better. Because the problem is that when you combine all those, let's say 10 interests into one ad set with the ad, and it's working, you don't know which one is getting the best results, because maybe five of those are getting amazing results, but the other five are terrible. So in general, it's getting good results, average results, but it's not as good as it can be, And the targeting has a really big difference. It makes a really big impact in the entire campaign. So that's why I always suggest to split that. It's one of the most important variables. In fact, it's probably, besides the angle and the offer, it's the most important thing, the targeting, because the audience is going to make a huge difference. So yes, when I mean one interest per ad set is just one page, what you can also do is use flex targeting, which intersects ads to interest 1 and interest 2, and you can use that as one interest in one ad set. But for example, you can use, let's say, ad set 1 would have interest 1 and interest 2. Ad set 2 would have interest 1 and interest 3, and ad set 3 would have interest 1 and interest 4. So basically, if you're doing flex targeting, what you can do is use the same interest for all the ad sets and then change the second interest, so you know which of those are working, and then you can just separate the best. So you get what I'm trying to say. There's no like special way to do it. Just keep it separate so that you know which of those is working. And actually, it's cool that you guys see that it's not about making everything perfect. It's about trial and error and separating things to see which one of those works. So again, like I just explained, keep one interest per ad set, and if you're doing flex targeting, the same. Use the same base ad set and just test the second one you're narrowing it with, so it's easier to track what's working better for you. And then you see which one is working better, and you scale the ones that are working. You kill the ones that are not working, and you go from there. So that's it, Mohammed. I hope this answered your question, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so if you got value out of this video and want to learn more, simply click on the link below or go to estebangomez.net/course, where you're going to get access to my Facebook advertising 101 course. It's going to teach you all the fundamentals from A to C on how to launch your first successful campaign. Everything from how to do market research, how to do audience research, how to create an ad, and how to launch your first successful Facebook campaign. So if this is something you're interested in, simply click on the link below this video or go to estebangomez.net/course, and I'll see you on the inside.